So the NuEvo 120 you see here, I don't know if you guys remember, but we actually brought two prototypes here to Costa Brava last year. We gave it to Ben, went off and tested it. I think we built three more prototypes afterwards, but it was actually the one that we brought here that went to the molding. So this is today the same board that you saw last year in production form, 120 liters, pretty big board. But I'm sure you guys have noticed it, the volumes and weight was getting bigger and bigger. Quick thing about the 120, ended up in the end with a 3-fin box system. The 2 fins here are the main fins, and the back fin here, you only use it when you're in light winds and bigger sails. And you can tune it forwards and backwards depending on if you want more turning, or you want just more of a straight line traction. All the indications are written on the board itself. But just if you remember, if you're ordering or if you're selling a 120, it's the only NuEvo that comes with 3 fins. You've got to ignore this fin, it's a twin fin, and you use the 3rd fin only in the lighter wind conditions with bigger sails. So this is the board. Maybe to explain a little bit, Bushman, he sent an email, just got back from Mauritius. This guy's got the best job in the world. And he just came back riding the NuEvo, so.
Yeah, basically I used to use coats all the time, and I weighed 62 kilos, and I use my coat either 72 liter up to 74, something like that. And for Mauritius was a really light wind, and my friends asked me like to bring a bigger board, and because the wind was really light, and I was like a little bit struggling to take to choose which board was it the one I was gonna take. And I've tried the NuEvo a couple of times in Hawaii and in Morocco, and I felt confident about it, and I didn't really like try it properly, and until I got to Mauritius, and I went in the wave there, and the lines were so perfect, like from top to bottom, and it was just like everything I wanted to do with that board. It just followed, and it was the NuEvo 80, which is a big board for me, and usually it's not the size I would use for fun, and yeah, it was the perfect board for that kind of wave. The wave was super mega fast. I've never seen a fast wave like that one, and it worked really well, and I was really happy with it. And I started sending email to Tiesa and all the team talking about it, that I was surprised with it, and yeah, basically it's quite one of my perfect boards that I will take around with me, and it's a wood one, and yeah, it's one of my favorite boards now. Yeah.
Thank you, William. I think it was last year. We won the test magazine in wind this time.